All right. We've had some people ask us if we'd make another Dupray neat video cleaning some carpets. People want to see it. They love it. So we're going to do it. This carpet's not real solid. Now, what we recommend to people, if the carpets aren't real solid, just clean it with steam. If they're solid, use a pre-spray. It helps to get the stuff working faster. But anyway, we're going to do this because people want to see it. These things clean carpets real well. We've been using this off and on for
since 2018.
2018, and we've cleaned well over 100 carpets with it. And what happens is, we've taken out stuff with this. Every machine you use will take out something that another machine won't. This will do stuff that you can't do with hot water extraction or bonnet cleaning. I mean, they all have a different way they work. This goes up to 275 degrees. It's extremely hot. It'll take out stuff because of all the heat that other stuff won't take out. You know, most of your truck mount cleaners out there, they can run about 280, but only for a short while. This will run 275 and it'll go 50 minutes until you and once you refill the tank, it'll go another 50 minutes. It'll go all day long for you. So I'm not knocking the truck mounts. They're a different thing, but this here, if you want to go over something that's extremely soiled, this will definitely break down your dirt and soil for you in a really nasty trash carpet. And then you can, if it cleans it good enough, you could be done, or you could bonnet clean over what you did with this. It just depends on what you want to do.
Well, for the average person that's going to be using it around the house, this is a good machine to clean your carpets and your floors and all your fixtures in your bathroom and kitchen. And it's nice because for the price, you're getting a machine that can actually clean everything you've got, and you know, you can't beat that.
No, it's not going to fix a ruined carpet.
No, there's stuff that nothing's going to clean, but
nothing's going to fix no ruined carpet. But this will. If you want to keep your carpets clean at your house, you don't want to call a carpet cleaner out, you want to have the carpets looking nice, this will do it year round. You can do this all the time. Now, if they're dirty enough you have to use a pre-spray, you may have a 1 hour and a half hour drying time. But if you do this with no pre-spray, your dry time's about 10 seconds.
I'll try to put a link in this video's description for a good pre-spray that we've been using for a few months for all of our cleaning. And it works really good, and it's got directions on the bottle for carpet cleaning and spotting, and it's a neutral pH, and there's no residue that will harm carpets.
This machine, when it's filled up, it'll run for about 50 minutes. We're going to put a link where you can purchase the machine if you're interested in the video description. These machines run, I don't want to say a product because they can change, but normally they're around $150 to $200. I think right now they're around 150. They go to 275 degrees. You won't find another steamer like them. I mean, nowhere.
No,
Nothing will come close to this.
They've sold thousands and thousands of these.
Oh, yeah.
And, mostly, almost everybody has been positive about them. There are some little mistakes you can make if you don't know how to use a steamer, and you'll think it's not working properly, but those are all just rookie mistakes. If you check our channel, I actually have a playlist for Dupray videos we've done. We've cleaned a lot of really dirty carpets with them, and we've you know, cleaned some other stuff, and we're going to try to make some videos soon. We're going to be cleaning it's like a little office space.
We got some flooring to clean, glass tables. When the weather gets warmer, windows. We don't clean windows in freezing weather, it'll crack them, but you can clean windows, you can clean everything. Every household in America could do with one of these. Any household in the country.
Yeah, the little light on the front there that's green. In use, that's going to turn amber, but it still has plenty of temperature and pressure. It's going to turn green pretty much as soon as you squeeze the trigger.
So you can use this for refreshing your carpets, or if they're not really bad, but you just want to kind of give them a spurf up. Or you can use this for, I mean, we've cleaned real dirty carpets. I've taken out deep, dark black stains on white carpets with this, so it'll do whatever you want to do.
I'll probably put a link in the video description for the playlist that has these videos in it. And we also have a steam cleaners group. I'll try to put a link in there for that if you're on Facebook. Now see, we actually have, I'll show you in here, we got it in a box down there. We've actually got a second Dupray neat. We haven't used it a whole lot of times yet. We got it just in case this one ever breaks. We'll have a backup already in the house. But we haven't had any problems with it. If you watch, I just did a video recently about what happens when you heat it up and it's hot, but nothing comes out of the trigger when you pull it. And there's you got to descale it because that's what causes that. But they're very reliable, and you know, now we've got two of them, so we can actually take two to a job if we want, and we can steam all day. You know, just going back and forth.
We used to put a lot of Dupray neat videos, and we kind of tapered off because we got real heavy into our carpet cleaning business, and we're normally bonnet cleaners. But we will,
in the category,
we will start putting up more Dupray neat videos.
Well, and also the category got crowded up with people uploading other people's videos, and so there's so many neat videos, and they're not really.
Most of them are fake.
They're not real videos, you know.
And there's people saying stuff that's not true. We don't lie about the product to sell it.
No, but there's a lot of misinformation. And, you know, anytime you see a video that says top 10 steam cleaners, top 5 steam cleaners, those are usually just fake videos where they steal other people's footage. And
those are Amazon.
Yeah, they're just trying to get.
Amazon sellers.
Those are people just trying to sell Amazon products. They'll say anything to sell. I'll film a little bit of this here since he's doing it. Let me get over to the side.
We'll come over through here.
Yeah, I can. Well, let me go up there.
I don't know if this will show up because the camera.
Yeah, this part of our house, it's hard to get good lighting.
Well, and we're not working with the best camera.
Yeah, we got a lot of junk, winter clothes out and hanging around. So, but I'll put a link in the video description. Now that's to Dupray's product. It's their landing page, but you can go up to the top. There's a category for steam cleaners, and you can see all of their steam cleaners. And so the neat is like the first steam cleaner they offer. They've got other ones that are more expensive, but they have other features and higher temperatures, higher pressures. But this is actually a really good one for cleaning carpets and roads.
You won't find a steamer in this price range that goes to $275. They don't exist. This is the only one that will go to 275 degrees that you don't have to spend $500–600 for.
Now I've seen some online that are offered that say they go to $275. But it turns out when you read the reviews, they don't. They just say that, but they only go to $220 or so. And there's actually knockoffs from China now that look just like the neat, but they have a lot of defects, and they get a lot of complaints about, you know, they start leaking steam out of every joint. They get hot enough to burn you. And so there's some products out there that are dangerous that, you know, they're being sold here. And these are very safe, reliable products. This will
not damage your carpet. You can use it on a wool carpet. You can use it on area rugs, anything. We've used it on everything. It won't cause trouble. Of course, it'll do floors. It'll do any floor. Like a lot of people ask, how do you clean those rubber gym mats at the gyms? With this thing.
Yeah.
This will clean a rubber gym mat lickety split.
Now that carpet this carpet's, you know.
Well, this carpet's like
13 or 14 years old.
It's worn out.
And that wear and tear at the front door, you're not going to get that looking good with anything.
But like we said, you're not going to fix damage. You're just going to get them clean. But if you have a dirty area like this won't come out because it's damaged, not dirt. But you just kind of keep going over it until you work the dirt out. And the dirt goes into the pad. It goes into that microfiber. That's how it works. It shoots. The steam shoots down into the bottom of the carpet, and it comes back up. When it comes up, it comes into the microfiber.
On some carpets that look like this, if you just use some regular household ammonia and put it in a spray bottle and put it on straight,
or some peroxide too. Yeah,
just let it sit there for a few minutes and then go over it with a steamer. And sometimes you'll get some of that dark area out. And when it's dissipated like that, it won't smell like ammonia after the ammonia dries. And ammonia is good. Because like peroxide, what it does is it breaks down into the atmosphere, and basically you just don't have anything but water and oxygen for the most part.
But like I said,
and it dissipates, and so it doesn't leave any residue behind.
We've taken some of the dirtiest traffic lane areas out in carpets with this that you couldn't take out with any other method. This cleans stuff. It's amazing what it'll do. A greasy restaurant type thing. It'll loosen it up where you can go over with an extractor and pull the greasy. Pull the grease out once you've cleaned it with the steam and got it all floating on the top. It'll do amazing things. So
now, if you look on that Dupray site, they have at the top of the page, they got a spot for accessories. And if you go to that link and load that page, they have accessories categorized by what machine you're going to get accessories for. And there's a lot of accessories for this machine. And there's an accessory kit you can get that has more stuff in it, more brushes and other things. You can pretty much clean almost anything with it.
Oh, one more thing. This cleans with it's 95% steam, 5% condensation. If very little water comes out with this, it's
well, when you do hard floors, for instance,
it's a true vapor steam cleaner.
When you do hardwood floors, for instance, you need to have like a microfiber mop or a good rag or even a wet dry vac. Hold on, I'll show you. I don't know if I have one out, but we've got a few wet dry vacs back here, and all you need is like a squeegee tool on the end, so you can pick up stuff off the hard floors. And if you have one of these handy, you can use that. It's noisy, but plug it into a different outlet than your steamer's plugged into, though. But you could suck up all the water. Anyway, I hope you guys... We had someone asking us to do a neat video because we haven't done one in a while. And we are going to start trying to do more of them. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. And
we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, thanks for watching.